Ibu, pisukan.
Hello.
Ah,
Mao ni si Carlito
karena
mo perform siya calibration og pressure transmitter. So mao ni. Mao ni atong pressure transmitter manufactured by Rosemount model 2088. Asa may model dire? Model. Tara, 2088 G4. Di ba klaro? Lang.
klaro ah.
Equipment mo dito. Kani mga sumpay-sumpay. So, here is the pressure transmitter. Our current meter made by Flock 87. So, as you see, the display is 0 pressure. So, the range of this transmitter is 0 to 300 bars. So since the display is 0, the corresponding current is 4 milliamp. 4 milliamp. We have the Hart communicator made by Emerson's 4375 and the standard test gauge made by Ashcroft, our reference. Here are the air tubing, our from the main source, air regulator, the main air regulator. Ito sa nang ikuan ha. So this is a beans calibration. So the setup of beans calibration from the power supply line. This one. Our power supply unit is here. Temporary running nga setup kay dinalian. Mao na ito ang power supply unit. So for beans calibration we need a resistor. Most value is 250 ohms, but we don't have resistor yet, so we use the Flock 744 as resistor. You see that 250 ohms in series of the power supply. So the 744 is not the 744 used for only for resistance. Okay, but the 744 is a process calibrator. So right now, so just for this very moment, we just use the resistance. K. Sige. Oh. Napay biscuit sa may bag Magic Flex. Sige. On ang linya. No. The main line, gate valve. Sige ba?
Hugot yun.
Oh. Then up to 5 bars. 5 regulator, main regulator. Mr. Carlito, and of course inyong videographer kami na, diba? Mao ni among calibration room. Gubot kayo. Dapat ay by the way, dito ay control valve. So this is a control valve. So when we calibrate the positioner, we attach the positioner here and then try to actuate this valve. This is a linear valve, globe valve. This is Siemens C Part 2 model valve positioner, but this is defective. Let's see, this is an not defective IP positioner. Okay. Sige pa yun. Untod, maabot og 5 bars. 5. As you can see, no pressure on the inlet, so the display is 0.0662 kg per centimeter squared. The reading of the digital processor is 0.07 kg per centimeter squared, equivalent to 4.0, equivalent to 0.004 MA. So the LRB is 0, the URB is 250. But how come in the tagging the maximum range, maximum pressure is 300? Sayop-sayop ang tagging, kaniyang sakto. 250 rang yang URB, yang appearance value. So dire 300 pero nga re 250, so mo ni ang tinuod.
Satu lisan. Ingat.
Lahan na. So we have the calibration form. Okay, this is the ratio and proportion table.
Boleh ya bro ni.
Ano?
Boleh sih.
Yeah. So we will try to zero trim or sensor trim this one to make it 0, since there is no pressure applied in the transmitter. No pressure. Look, okay. Look at the regulator, 0. Look at the test gauge, also 0. Meaning there is no pressure applied to the transmitter. So it should be the display will be 0 also. But here there is just a small value. But to make it 0, we will try to sensor trim using the hard communicator. Okay, sensor trim. Dugay. Loading, hina yung processor. Okay, look at the value. It will suddenly change to 0. Yeah, that's right. See? So the value now, the display is 0, 0, 0, and the corresponding current is the same as the ideal. The computed value is 4 milliamp, and it should be. If we apply the maximum pressure as the URB set 250 kg, the milliamp will be 20 milliamp. Okay, so here is. So itong gibuhat, nag zero trim lang ta. So we will